Parents' Evening, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Set up or edit a Parents' Evening. This will give you a list of any current Parents' Evenings that have been set up. You can select the blue plus to edit these Parents' Evenings, the orange cross to delete them, or you can also clone a current Parents' Evening by selecting the clone icon here. To set up a new Parents' Evening, select this button here. If you just start at the top and work your way down, so pop a title in, you're then going to need to relate it to a class. These classes will be pulled from your school MIS if you're integrated with School Spider. If you're not, just get in touch with your account manager. Select the relevant year. You're then going to pop your start time and date in. So if I just say that the Parents' Evening is going to start at, say, 3:30 on Friday. You can have this enable slot booking start time and finish date. What that's basically going to do is say that the Parents' Evening slots are going to become available at a particular time and a particular date, and they're going to be available until a particular time and a particular date. So this just gives everybody a fair chance in order to actually book a slot that they want to get. If you leave that blank, it's just going to go available straight away for parents to start booking on. You're going to want to tick active, and then you're going to put how many slots that you have available, how many minutes apart you want them, and you're just going to click create it. You'll see this is then going to give me a list of all the slots that I've got available here. I can then use these icons to add a break in. So if I want to add a break in here, you can also add headings using these options if you need to. Once you're happy with the slots that you've got available, you can either save at the bottom without publishing it to parents, and that's just going to go into your list of all your Parents' Evenings, or you can click this Publish for Parents. Once you've selected Publish to Parents, it's going to send an email to your parents to say that there's a Parents' Evening that they need to complete, and it's also going to send them a notification on the app if they are logged in. If you want to see what it looks like for a parent, I'll pop a link up for a video here, and I'll show you how it looks on the app and how they book their individual slots. For you to view the slots that have been booked, you're going to go to where your list of your Parents' Evenings are here, and you're just going to select the blue plus. This is going to show you your Parents' Evening that you've set up, and you can see here any parents that have booked in are going to show like this, and you'll also get a drop down to manually book any parents in. So if I click onto this drop down, it's going to give me a list of any pupils and parents in that individual year. I can then just select an individual parent and I can book that slot manually. You can also remove parents from bookings, and you can also change bookings to a break. Once you've got all your bookings in, you're just going to click on this booking as a PDF, or you can download it as an Excel, and that's going to give you a list of all the bookings that you've got to bring with you on the day. If you've got a Parents' Evening that's going to pull through over 2 days, then just watch the next video here, and that's going to show you how you can set that up.